It's just for new for me. I'm
No,
excited.
it's okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let me look good for the camera. You can come around it if you want. Yeah. So you catch. This is so that it won't fly out of the wind and everything.
Mm.
This place. Single engine, right? Sanjay will give us the link.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Sanjay, can I take this off?
Let's follow the checklist.
Oh, okay. Let's record the whole thing, checklist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We got flying and all the checklists.
Okay.
That one is the checklist.
Do you have it recorded?
Do it the right way. Some of the seating options.
It's single engine, right?
Yeah. One propeller. Check it.
It's probably for the radio.
Mm.
N142BS. Alright, so you got a checklist.